This video dives into real-life misfires, where a message meant for one person ends up in the wrong inbox with hilarious consequences. From accidental love confessions to surprise party miscommunications, these stories show how our digital slips can spark connections. One tale recalls a wrong number text that turned into a lifelong friendship after replying with a joke that landed perfectly. Another instance involved a misaddressed RSVP that transformed into a shared kitchen prank and a new neighborly bond. Each story proves honesty, humor, and a dash of luck can turn a cringeworthy mistake into a memorable moment.